What up, guys? So it's another beautiful day here at LVCC, and today we are finishing up the Subaru. So we got everything on, everything's ready to go. So today we're gonna go through and just button everything up, make sure everything is tight. Basically, yeah, by the end of this video, this thing should be rolling out of the garage, hopefully, because you know we've always run into setbacks here. So we got Andrew and Bucci right now knocking out the rear suspension, and I have an appointment at the alignment shop tomorrow, so we want to get it done as soon as possible. Enjoy the video, and we'll give you any updates as we're working through. So I didn't even get to set up the camera for the first time-lapse session, and we already ran into a problem. So Bucci, take it away.
All right, guys, so we have run into an issue, obviously. So the problem that we're having here is Whiteline supplied us, well, actually, no, Whiteline did not supply us, we bought them, but Whiteline has these fancy-dancy adjustable end links. KLC 124 is part number. Therefore, a couple different Subarus, mainly not a 98 or 99 Forester, which is just so happens to be the car that we're working on. So these are not the original style of sway bar end links that would have come factory on the vehicle. So with that, we're gonna have to modify the front lower control arms. We have decided to not run a rear sway bar for now. It's gonna give us more travel and shit anyway for off-roading. So we've elected to not run that one, but we do want to run the fronts just for better streetability. So what we're gonna do is there's a bracket on the LCA that we're gonna chop off, and we're gonna have to drill out the hole in the other side of the bracket to accept the larger shank on the adjustable end links so that we can tighten this and tighten them into the sway bar. That way we can adjust them so under full droop, the sway bar does not hit the suspension. So we're gonna go ahead and get to that, start chopping and drilling and grinding and having some fun.
I like cars.
I like cars. Is that sketchy? Yes. Am I still gonna do it? Also, yes.
Everybody make sure to bring their Speedos.
I look great in a Speedo. All right, so we got the front end put together, we got the sway bar end links put on, everything's buttoned up, everything is tightened, everything is ready to go. We were gonna put a transmission bushing in, but we're probably gonna do that later just because I'm gonna have to get a new exhaust because the one that I have on now is clapped. But we should be able to get this rolling in just hopefully a few minutes here. We're just doing some other fine details. We're gonna throw the wheels on and she'll be rolling, so let's get to it.
Nice and easy.
Look at that.
This jack is kind of fucked up.
Open the trunk, get a little bouncy bounce.
Hot stance game.
Reverse stance.
Take that. Thank you, Sir Andrew.
There you have it, guys. Subaru's been in here since February of 2020. It is January 2021. And we now have a lifted Subaru Forester. I know this is pretty rare on our channel, having a finished project in a video. Pretty weird for everybody, I know. It's weird for me too. I'm gonna come over here, like, you know, in a couple days, and this isn't gonna be right here on jack stands.
Come on, baby.
It's been a while since she started. There she goes.
Woo! All the way into the lake.
That is right about wheels straight.
First test has seen
So-
how waterproof it is.
It moves. Nothing fell off yet, so we're good.
Kevin, quick stop.
Yeah, make sure the brakes work.
There you go.
Sweet.
See, I was only joking about going into the lake. We lined up there on accident. For real. I did that once.
Oh, he hit the bench. Dang. I remember my first day driving.
You hit the bench?
Yeah.
Man, now we have to do more
He's still
body
hitting
work.
it.
Are you sure you can drive a Subaru still? Man, now we have to do
I
body
remember
work.
my first day driving.
Dude, the paint was perfect. Come on.
Perfect. The brakes are working.
They go down pretty far.
Yeah, your master might be going pretty bad.
It's like night and day.
Parking brake does not work.
It's a true off-roader now. Drives right through his
Right? How's it feel?
That was perfect.
We need to tweak it. I'm so excited. This is awesome. I'm happy.
Beautiful. Doctor!
We don't need to jack it up to get under it anymore.
That's for damn sure.
Yeah. This is like. It's so high up. Oh. Well, that'll do it for this video. We have it done. We'll do an update video hopefully within a week, and we'll see how well it's broken in. But thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you later.